Sorry. I reckon that's your finger there. Birthday, is it?
Yeah. Go join the cartwheel club.
Yeah, cartwheel. Oh.
So if you roll any sleeves up that you've got, or maybe take a jumper off or something, that'd be amazing. And we'll be with you very shortly.
George's Colourful Chaos.
Hello everybody, are we alright? Are we okay? Fantastic. Now, if you can't see the screen because you're facing the other way, turn yourself around. Amazing. Try again. Are we all having a good holiday? Amazing. And who's ready to see George? Fantastic. Now, let me see your sleeves. Are they rolled up? Roll your sleeves up. Lovely.
Are we all ready to say hello to a very special guest? Okay, after 3, can we all shout George as loud as we can? Are we ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Hey squatters! I've been doing the Seaside Squad Sports Day with the gang and I won a gold medal! I did a super squad sack race, a super speed running race, Dory won that one, super silly 6-legged race, and a super squad team relay with all of my friends. I won the super sky high jump. I jumped right up high into the sky. Squatters, can you jump as high as me? Let's all jump high into the sky. Oof! I'm so hot from all that jumping. I'm just going to open the window. I'll be back. That wind was super strong. Seaweeds must be out there playing with his pollution blaster. Oh no, our painting! Bradley gave us that as a leaving present. The rest of the squad will be sad that I've lost it. What am I going to do? Squatters, I've got an idea, but I'm going to need yous. Will you help me? Yeah! At squad school this week, we were learning painting. Look, I've got paint all over my t-shirt. I think it looks quite cool though. I love all these bright colours. So maybe we could use some bright colours and make our own pictures to replace the one that blew away. What do you think? Yeah. Great stuff! First, we need to remember all of the colours we will need. Can anyone remember what colour our superhero clothes are? That's right! They're blue! Can someone come and pick out the blue page? Does anyone know what colour Rory is? You've got it! He's orange! And he's got some stripes. Can you remember what colour those are? That's it! Black stripes! Can someone come and help me find the orange and black paint? Thank you! We need a colour for Annie. Does anyone know what colour she is? Well done! Annie is pink! Who wants to come and find the pink paint? What about our new squad member Jazz? She's a bear. What colour could a bear be? Brown! That's the one! Can someone come and help me find that colour? anyone? Oh, yes! Silly me! I forgot myself. I'm blue. But we already got blue for our superhero clothes. So, I think we're ready! Come on, everyone, on your feet! If your clothes have any red, if your clothes have any red, then put your finger on your head, put your finger on your head. If your clothes have any red, That's great, guys! Next one's blue! If your clothes have any blue, if your clothes have any blue, reach the ground and touch your shoes, reach the ground and touch your shoes. If your clothes have any blue, Did you know blue's my favourite colour? Haha, look! If your clothes have any yellow, smile and say hello. If your clothes have any green, climb the trees, like me! Phew! That was hard, because my t-shirt has got loads of colours on it. Right, so we have all our colours. Is everyone ready to draw a picture of the squad? Oh, squatters, Jazz is calling. Maybe she can help us.
Hiya, George. Hiya, squadders. How are ya?
We are great, Jazz, but we might need some help.
I saw on the squad security camera. Our painting blew away.
I'm so sorry, Jazz. I didn't mean to. It was just really hot and,
Don't worry, George. I know you've had a great idea to make some new pictures. That's why I can help.
Really? How?
I've invented an artist action machine. All we need to do is scan a photo of what you want to draw and it will show you how.
Oh, Jazz, that is so clever. Please come and borrow it.
Of course you can, guys. It's in the toolbox.
Thanks, Jazz. See you soon.
See you later, George. Bye, squad.
There must be a photo of us in here somewhere. Aha! Found one. Okay, so I just need to scan this photo.
Scanning complete. Please collect your paper and colours.
Has everyone got their colours? Great! While you do some pictures, I'm going to go and have a look for the picture that blew away. Have fun, squatters! I'm excited to see your pictures when I'm back. Just follow the screen and it will tell you just what to do. Bye for now!
Oh, we'll see you in a minute, George. Alright, so on the page, we have got some more colours coming for you as well. But what you need to try and do is copy what is on the screen to draw a picture of the Seaside Squad. If you just take one colour each, if that's okay. Just one pen each. If you would like to swap your colour with somebody,
Oh, they're cute. Well done, girls.
3, 2, 1. Right, that was an amazing practice, but this isn't for real. Are you ready? Everybody in the room, here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Hey, squatters! Look at those drawings! Hold them up nice and high so I can see. You've even drawn my bananas! Wow! Maybe we can put them up in our lighthouse. Or you can keep them if you want to take them home. Squatters, I found our picture. But look, all the colour has blown off. Oh no! Jazz, the colour's blown off.
It's okay, George. There is a colour collector setting on the artist action machine.
How does that work?
You just need to collect as many colours as you can. Then press the big yellow button and the colours will transfer to the picture.
Whoa! Thanks, Jazz.
You got this, George. See you later, gang.
Squatters, we need to collect some colour. And I've got a super fun way we can do it. But we might get a bit messy. Right, we need 4 teams. Yellow, green, blue and red. And we're going to make some handprints on our giant piece of paper. Like big fireworks of colour. Can we do this, squatters?
Yeah!
This is so cool! Don't get it on your clothes like I did.
We'll see you in a bit, George. Amazing. Okay, so everybody stand up for me. Good colour. Seeing as we've got bonfire night coming up. On. Well done, everybody. Don't join the queue again. We got our last person. My last Well done, everybody.
Took the green away and tried to put my hand on it.
Did you get green lace?
Yeah, she did.
That's cool.
Mum, my hand's stuck.
Lift it up. That's wicked. Go wash them with Lil.
How are we getting on, everybody? Well done. Yeah, that does deserve a big clap. Well done, everybody. We'll just finish it with everybody washing their hands, and then we'll get that lovely George back out. Down to 3, 2, 1.
Wow! That's amazing, everyone! So many bright colours! Now we've collected all the colours, let's gather all of them and hit the yellow button.
Energy needed. Energy needed. Shout favourite colour.
Well done, everyone. Put
Shout
that down.
favourite colour.
We need to make some noise, squatters. Everyone shout your favourite colour as loud as you can. 1, 2, 3. Blue! That was so loud, squatters. Nice one. I'll try the button again.
Energy needed. Energy needed.
We need to make some more energy. What can we do to make energy, squatters? Super ideas! And my favourite one is dancing. I love to dance. Let's go! I came to dance, 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 dance. I hit the floor cause that's my plans, 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 plans. I'm here with all my favourite friends, 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 friends. Put your arms and wave your hands, 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 hands. Yeah, yeah, cause it goes on and on and on. And it goes on and on and on. Yeah! I throw my colours in the air sometimes, make a rainbow. Got some legs, go! I wanna celebrate and dance all night, make a rainbow. Squatters, let's go! Cause we gon' make this room, make it shine real bright. Gonna light it up like it's dynamite. Cause I told you once, now I told you twice. Gonna light it up like it's dynamite. I came to move, 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 move. Get out of the way.
Let's see your dance,
crew, 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 crew. I'm in the squad, so I'm gonna do, 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 do. Just what the squad came here to do, 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 do. Yeah, yeah. Cause it goes on and on and on. And it goes on and on and on. Yeah. I throw my colours in the air sometimes, make a rainbow. Got some legs, go. I wanna celebrate and dance all night, make a Squadders, I think the colour collector should work now. Hold your pictures up, everyone, so I can collect all the colours. Whoa! Whoa! We did it, Squadders! The painting is finished! That looks great! The others won't even know it blew away. Oh, I better go and close that window quick. See you later, Squadders. Bye now.
Oh, George. Before you go, can we have some photos? Is that all right? If you'd like a photo with George, come and line up over here for me. We've got a birthday. Happy birthday, Lily. George, it's Lily's birthday. There you go. And then some of their leaders. Well done.
Is that good? This is awesome.
I'm gonna go dress it.
Are you going to say bye to George?
Fantastic. See you soon. That is the end of your Colourful Chaos, everybody. Make sure you're joining us at 1 o'clock for experimental Little Bang. We're going to have a hand over to lovely Courtney.
Okay, everyone. Yes, that was your George's Colourful Chaos. We hope you enjoyed that session. And
don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Do subscribe our channel, turn on our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us 2 thumbs up. Bam! Bye guys! Bye guys!